Earth turns like a cradle of compost and stone, a cool colored moon where all life has grown. The cosmos and nature in partnership blend for energy vital that all worlds depend. From forests and oceans to humans who roam, each being a spark in the cosmic home. Mother Nature, the steward, steadfast and wise, has tended this power through ages that rise. But deep in Earth's core, a hot, precious world, a boil beneath mountains that threaten the world. Volcanoes erupted like anger unbound, ash choke in the sky, life swept from the ground. A remedy formed as humanity came, imagination ignited like kindling to flame, to mine and extract what the earth held within, to cool the coarse furnace and lessen its din. Earth turns like a cradle of compost and stone, a cool colored moon where all life has grown. The cosmos and nature in partnership blend for energy vital that all worlds depend. We tapped into fuels for our progress and might, extending our lifespans, expanding our light in harmony, living with soil, beast and tree, producing the energy meant for the sea of stars ever stretching where galaxies spin. A cosmos that hungers for fire we bring in, but shadows arrived with a whispering force, turning some souls toward a darker course. With fear as their banner and guilt as their cry, they claimed they would save us while crafting a lie. For tools of deception were polished and set, from climate alarms to the chant of net zero threat. And powers elected stood eager to claim a false cloak of virtue, a planet to save in their name. Like a cradle of compost and stone, a cool colored moon where all life has grown. The cosmos and nature in partnership blend for energy vital that all worlds depend. Yet if humankind seeks survival once more, it must learn again what the ancients knew before, to balance the depths where Earth's pressures reside, and open the pathways once sealed up inside, for voices that silence the fuels we require.